Guys, we're just going to start the raffle here. Missed the nice artwork I just showed on blog right now. Okay, so we got Hamilton hockey cards. We have, alright, sorry, 1976 Bork. This is Das RJB. Again, these are the winners of the teams tonight that I'm just going to raffle for some bonus cards we have. Do this almost every break where we have a blog TV audience, more than one. We have Jean-Francois 3174. The reason why we're breaking so early tonight, or earlier, thanks a lot, man. Okay, so I'm just going to throw all these teams. Actually, not that many people in this break because Kyle and Jean-Francois took every team. So we're just going to put these into this whole tin of the cup I got. Okay, now I'll show you guys the lots that we have. Lot number 1 is 0506 Black Diamond. Lot we have Saku Koivu, Triple Diamond, St. Louis, Quad Diamond, and Thornton, Quad Diamond. So that's lot number 1. Lot number 2, pretty sure this is a kind of weaker lot, but nonetheless still a lot. We have a Dion Phaneuf 0506 MVP rookie. It's kind of cool. It's like signatured, but I don't know how to explain it. It's like a scan signature. We have Dion Phaneuf Double Diamond, 1011 Black Diamond, and we have 0708 Black Diamond, Triple Diamonds, Brett Sterling. Yeah, it's a Phaneuf rookie card. You know, I was actually, I went to the, what's it called? We have a Double Diamond of Martin Biron Ruby from 0809 Black Diamond. This could be 0910. No, wait, 0809, it's out of 100. And an Alex Steen Ruby Jersey out of 100. 0607 Black Diamond. Kind of two cool looking cards. Like I was saying, I went to the, well, not All-Star, what's it called? Award ceremony. It was in Vancouver. And my buddy and I, we met Crosby, Ovechkin, and we met Phaneuf, and I had my card in my hand, but I was too scared to ask him to autograph it because, I don't know, I was like 5 feet, 4 feet 8, and he's a fucking beast. Scared the shit out of me. Alright, so, if you get pulled first and you're here to watch the break, you can pick whichever lot you want, and if you're not here, you'll just go in chronological order. Okay. Okay, your Broder 1982 wins lot number 1. Pretty nice looking lot. 2 quads and a triple. Alright. Jean-Francois. Yeah. Which one do you want, man? 2 or 3? 2? Alright. So we get the Phaneuf, and the Sterling. Alright. Lot number 3 now. Only one left. God, cross your fingers, man. I'm not looking. We have G.P. Volbeek. G.P. Volbeek. It's your cards. That's not crossed tight enough, man. Alright, so we'll end that and start the actual break now. Break 72, Raffle. Fuck, we're at 72 breaks.